From a previous tutorial, I've actually printed out my code from Frame, and now what I'd like to do is use Adobe Acrobat to construct the document to show the blank runtime interface, and have a copy of the code below. Remember, before you print out your code, make sure you have your developer comments in, because this is your signature and the proof that you've done the work. Now once you've downloaded it from Frame and it's actually opened up for you, you can then actually download the file. I'm going to place this onto my desktop and click on save, but before I save it, I'm actually going to call it lawn mowing. So you need to give it a real name rather than using the server base name, and it's going to save it as a PDF document and click on OK. Once I've done that, I can then go to my document on my desktop. I can then right mouse click that and then go open with, and I'm going to select Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you don't have this installed, you may need to go to self-service and install this as part of the Adobe suite. Once I've opened this document in Adobe Acrobat, I then have creative control on this. So if I'd like to, I can actually go up to Tools and go to Edit Text and Images. So in here now, we can actually see we've got everything on the page. I can select all this, and if I want to, I can actually delete it, take out sections I don't want. So I can actually push the delete key and take out any of the objects that I don't want on my page. So once I've removed any objects, I can then go and add the image to the document. To do this, I'm going to click on Add Image. It's then going to ask me, well, what images do I want to add? And I'm going to select the image I want to add first and click on Open. And then I can place that on the document by clicking OK, or left mouse click. And then I'm going to add the second image and click on Open. Once again, slide into position and click on OK. So now as a document, if I go zoom to page level, I now have my code, I have my blank runtime, and I have my runtime interface. So you'll be able to print this out now and hand that to your teacher for marking to prove that you've completed the assessment task.